as you can see, the sun's about to go down. We're at our night's camp. We've just got off the beaten track, basically, to get away from everyone. We've got a beautiful spot here, but we did have a 8k trip in on the gravel. I'll give you some idea the condition of the ute. Bit of ground clearance, bit of dust, but of course I'm in a southern end with no dust. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Amanda. How's that for Tommy? Just open the door there. A little bit of dust on the step. You can see how much dust we were kicking up. And of course the YouTube and the drone footage will show it too, but just open the picnic table and no dust inside. So all in all, pretty impressed. We've got the table out, we've got the drinks out. Going to be a beautiful night at the campsite, I think, tonight. Most important, we're getting the wood going. But the other most important...
Yeah, no, well, we can see what we believe is the most important.
We're mixing up the slushy machine. So time is ticking and it's 20 past 5. Let's check on this later and see how it's going while Amanda gets the fire going. The wood box is coming in, very handy addition for the trip. Allowed us to pick up some sticks on the way in. Rightio. Yeah, that'll catch. And the slushy's still getting made as we've got a beautiful sunset. I don't think I'll get the drone back up again tonight, but we'll get it up tomorrow morning. All right, Bron, what do we got going here?
Got a little bit of pina colada happening. Frozen pina colada.
Frozen pina colada. Any other inverts? Yeah, ingredients. What do we see? Some juice, some Malibu.
And some coconut milk.
And coconut milk.
Yep.
All right, we'll see how this turns out shortly. Slushy update. 25 minutes later, we can see some ice forming. Doing well. The sun's just going down. Craig's getting ready to cook us dinner tonight. What do we got, Craig?
Steak, sausages, and some cold oiled chips.
Oh, so he's our chef tonight, and he's cooking on the fire pit. What is the Osbry. So we'll see how it goes once our fire dies down. We're just getting some coals ready. Should be good. All right, we're just setting up at campsite. Just come back from a European trip. Bit of olive oil. I'm just playing with the...
What sort of olive oil is it? Is it extra virgin?
Extra virgin olive oil. Thanks to Amanda. Thanks to Amanda behind the camera. Oh, hang on. Is this the first time it's open? Oh, no. There we go. It's going to open. I'm thinking it was still sealed.
What have we got there?
A little bit of balsamic vinegar. In the centre of it, like so. A bit more. Depending on how much you like of the balsamic. And, of course, a yummy bit of salt and pepper. There we go. Beautiful. And then, yeah, we're playing with a bit of angle here on the table. Beautiful fresh bit of focaccia. Purchased from the monks in
New Norcia
on our way up. So, yeah, this should be yummy. Vinegar, but beautiful. Yummy, yum, yum. Definitely recommend it. Anyone that wants a simple little treat there, I'm talking with my mouth full. Sorry about that. But no, very nice. Make sure you try it. All right, Bron, let us know what you think.
Oh man, that is delicious.
Just wanted to show you, I don't know if you can pick it up under the light. Adventure Dementia. Bit of a slogan we got going on our shirts. Craig's taking it to the next level and put it on the knives. But look at this, beautiful steak getting prepped. Slushy update. Looking very close.
Okay.
Just a test.
There we go. Here's the test. Oh, I'm not going to say what that looks like. Getting. And what was your cocktail called again?
Pina colada.
You sure it wasn't something a baby did?
Yes.
Can we come maybe with another name?
Diarrhea?
I think we might need to turn the
So that made, oh no, it didn't.
and it is early in the night too, by the way. We definitely haven't had too much yet. But,
Ron even has that warm.
not bad for our first practice, I think. Bron, well done. Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Michael's Camp, Pina Colada.
What do you think?
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh!
That one's going to be mine. Thanks, sweetie.
Another?
Thanks.
All right, just an update on our chips. Look at them bubbling away nicely on the fire. Thanks from Harry. Fire to fork. Craig's been a little bit of a fanboy, so he's taken a few lessons. He's got all the gear, no idea, you reckon? So let's see what he produces.
130 degrees.
He's looking like a pro. He's got the thermometer out.
I can do that, but now I don't know what
I don't know. So we don't know if we're burning it or it's actually good. There we go. Look at that sizzle away. Only you could smell it. Nicely seasoned, I see too, Craig. Chips, steak and salad. What else would you rather have at night? Alright, we're sitting back. Cheers, sweetie. We're enjoying ourselves while our cook over here is rushing around, checking the steak.
Headless chook.
Headless chook, there we go. Testing it out. How are we looking, Craig?
Well, that's probably perfect for Bronwyn.
Ah,
And that's the thicker pieces, so yours probably not too bad.
excellent. Look at this.
I'll present it to you.
Oh,
Bit of sashimi.
oh look at that. Yeah.
Someone likes it like that.
That, I'm just looking at it, might be a little raw for her, but it's not far off, put it that way.
Alright. They're looking good, mate. They're goldening up. Steaks are almost done. What do we got, Bron? We got the sip. Oh, we're ready for the chips.
When we're ready. This is just the assistant chef.
Not that she's complaining.
Nah, I don't think we're going to go hungry tonight. Looking good. What do we got happening now, Craig?
Oh, you got the bags of surprise.
Just because we decided we haven't had got enough food for tonight, mate. We're just topping up. Look at that. You guys are professionals.
YouTube professional.
YouTube. Look what you can do if you watch YouTube, everyone. Hopefully you'll be watching this one later. Have a look at this. Beautiful steak, chips cooked to perfection, salad, sausages. What more could you want? All right, Craig, you've done an awesome job, mate.
And Braun.
Brian, sorry, sous chef.
Thanks, Brian. I couldn't have done it without
Cheers.
you.